Network trouble in the lab can be a nightmare. Let's figure out how to fix it fast.
Okay, so your connection dies. What do? Besides, panic.
You're mid-experiment, data's flowing, and boom, it's gone. So where do you even start?
All right, let's start with the physical stuff, the hardware. These are your first clues.
Think of a router as the network's brain. It's in charge of security and traffic control.
So the router talks to the internet, while the switch just connects everything inside your lab.
Basically, the router directs traffic, puts up a firewall, and hands out local IP addresses.
And the switch? Easiest way to think of it is a smart power strip for your network.
Okay, hardware is covered. Now let's get into the digital side of things, the addresses.
Here's the key difference. Your IP address can change, but your MAC address is permanent.
Right, so your IP address is that temporary number. It's how devices find each other right now.
But the MAC address, that's physically burned into your hardware. It never, ever changes.
And a port? Think of it like a specific extension on a phone. It gets data to the right app.
So where do these temporary IP addresses even come from? Well, they're usually leased out automatically.
And that's where DHCP comes in. It's like a concierge that assigns temporary IPs to new devices.
But what if that process breaks? Now this is a really important clue for you.
The dreaded 16.9 address. If you see this, you know exactly what's wrong. It means your computer couldn't get an address, so you're offline. First step, check your cables.
Okay, so you've got the clues. Here's a quick checklist to track down the actual problem. First, try pinging another computer in the lab. Then check the switch lights and the cables.
This is super important for lab gear. Things like servers or instruments often need a permanent static IP.
And when you talk to IT, using the right terms makes everything go so much faster.
So next time your experiment goes offline, what's the very first thing you're going to check?